Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So as you all can see, we've got the class combine over here, aka Frankenwein. Because if you're new to the channel, this is a Massey Ferguson corn header that we made fit onto a class combine. So we're busy working on it. There's a couple of repairs that we need to do. We need to go through the whole thing and grease it. And then this one panel over here, it's got a bit of a hole over here, so we're going to fix that. And then we're going to go harvest some corn. Okay, so I went ahead and made that hole bigger and cut out all the rusted through pieces. So I'm going to cut a patch panel now, and then we're going to patch it and put it back in the combine. Okay, so I've cut out this panel over here and we're going to use it. We're going to set it in right over here and patch that hole right over there. Okay, so we've got the panel patched and installed back into the combine. So we're just going to grease it and then we're going to go harvest. Okay, so we are gassed up, greased and ready to go harvesting. Okay guys, so we're here in the cornfields and we were busy harvesting, and then this happened. So we are stuck a bit, but luckily we are not that far from a tractor. So we went and we got the McCormick and we put the chain onto it, and we're quickly going to drag back the combine out of the mud, and then we're going to continue harvesting. Okay guys, so we got the combine out. The McCormick didn't even feel the combine behind it. So we're going to continue harvesting and hopefully not get stuck again. Okay guys, so we went from being stuck to having a flat wheel. So we're going to go see if we can't find one around here that will fit on the combine. Okay guys, so it's the next day and we couldn't find a wheel that fit on the combine, so we had to wait until the tire shops were opened so we could have this one repaired. But we got it repaired and put back, and we're going to start harvesting again. Okay guys, so we're back. We quickly went and ate lunch, and we're going to check the oil and the coolant of the combine again. And as you guys can see, the truck is almost full. It can take about 2 more loads, and then we first had to take the truck to the grain elevator again. Okay guys, so we got a bit stuck again, so I've got the McCormick over here. We're quickly going to pull out the combine over there, and then we're going to continue harvesting. So I'm almost at the grain elevators and I'm quickly going to do my walk around and see if everything is still okay. Okay, so everything is looking good. Let's continue driving. Guys, so we've made it to the grain elevator again, and I'm quickly going to go through and then we're going to go back home. Guys, so all the corn is unloaded, and there's a feature on this truck that I haven't shown you guys yet. You know, like in video games where you have fast travel, well, this truck also has that feature. So all you have to do is you have to go down here and you have to press this button over here, and then when it clicks, you're supposed to be at the location that you preset. Okay, so we're going to continue corn harvesting. I've got the combine started, going to let it warm up a bit so that we can continue harvesting the field right over there. Okay guys, so we're harvesting over here, and the corn in this field is so good that we blocked the combine up, so you're going to quickly fix that and then continue harvesting. So all of this over here was stuck inside the combine, but we've got the blockage cleared and we're going to continue harvesting corn. So it's another day, it's another problem like it goes usually. So the auger right here that takes the corn out of the combine, it broke, and we need to work over here, but the combine is currently full of corn. So we've got this plan over here that the corn is going to fall down there and it's going to go into the truck, so we can repair the auger right there. Okay guys, so we got the auger fixed. It's working again, but it's dark as you all can see, so we are going to continue this tomorrow morning. Okay guys, so we got another truck full of corn and I'm going to take that to the grain elevator tomorrow, but you guys already know the process of that. So this is going to be the end of the video guys, so thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and see you all next time.